Let's see how to add a pre-recorded video on OBS. So go to your OBS and you have to select the scene in which scene you want to add your pre-recorded video. Then come to this sources box. Here click on this plus icon to create a new source and select media source. And you can renaming the media source. I'm typing here video, for example. Now it's time to add here our video. So click on browse. Now from your computer select the video and click on open. You can loop the video by checking this loop option, and you can also make the video fast forward by increasing this speed, and you can also make the video slow motion by decreasing this speed level. Then click on OK, and we can see the video added. Now it's time to resize the video. So you can just use any of these handle to resize the video just like this, and then go ahead and adjust the video with your screen. Or if you want to crop the video, hold down the Alt or Option key on your keyboard, and then you will be able to crop the video just like this. And that's how you can actually add pre-recorded video